While you may stumble across professionals who skip safety gear, you'll never find one staring at a welding arc without a helmet. There are many products available to choose auto-darkening welding helmets, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best auto-darkening welding helmets from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Yes Welder Auto Darkening Welding Helmet. If you're in the market for a decent welding helmet but want to save money, the Yes Welder True Color solar-powered auto darkening welding helmet is a good option. Like most auto darkening helmets, the system operates on solar power, which is very convenient for use outdoors. 3 controls provide users the ability to fine-tune the settings. 2 adjustments, sensitivity and delay are inside the helmet, while a shade control dial is located externally. The helmet's view screen has the traditional green color, which works to eliminate eye strain, making for a more enjoyable working experience. This is a perfectly viable option for MIG, TIG, MMA welding, and grinding. It isn't the best design for professionals, especially considering the weight of almost 2 pounds. However, it still works for beginners and is an excellent spare for pros to keep on hand. What we like about it: very low price, true color lens, dial-operated controls, solar-powered. What we don't like about it: heavy. Number 2. DeCapro Auto Darkening Welding Helmet. The DeCapro welding helmet is a perfect helmet for moderate to extended use at an affordable price point. That's what makes it our top pick. Eye protection is guaranteed by the auto darkening function's ability to activate in 1/25,000 of a second. Additionally, this helmet offers a vast field of view that is complemented by 3 manual adjustments. With this helmet, you can adjust shade level, sensitivity, and delay to find the setting that best suits them. Additionally, this helmet is very lightweight and offers full protection of the head and neck. We must note that the lightweight is partly on account of thinner materials. While this helmet may not be suited for professional use, it deserves our top pick because it gives entry-level welders and hobbyists access to superior function. What we like about it: affordable price point, lightweight. What we don't like about it: thin shell construction, thin straps. Number 3. Thulium Welding Helmet. Another contender for budget-minded shoppers is the Thulium TLM800D welding helmet. This model uses a true color lens technology, which provides a far better sight of the weld puddle and surroundings. Furthermore, it has a very wide lens that provides an excellent field of view, even in tight spaces. Despite its low price, it has dial-operated adjustments. This offers far more control over the settings than traditional switch-based adjustments you could expect to find on a helmet of a comparable price. It features a decent design for the head straps. However, it is constructed of thinner material, and many reviews indicate a lack of attention to sharp edges that can cause discomfort. It may not be ideal for professional use. What we like about it: very low price point, true color lens, wide lens, dial-operated controls. What we don't like about it: poor strap design. Number 4. Antra Auto Darkening Welding Helmet. Many welders want the most extensive field of view possible. The Antra AH7-860-001X Auto Darkening Welding Helmet features a huge lens that measures at 3.86 by 3.5 inches, making it worthy of attention. Despite the large lens, this helmet is very lightweight and specifically designed to reduce strain on the user's neck. This allows the welder to forget they're even wearing the helmet at all. Furthermore, this helmet offers full protection of the neck and head. All adjustments are located inside the helmet. This does mean making adjustments requires the helmet to be lifted or removed, but makes working in tight spaces easy, with no risk of bumping dials. For the price, this helmet is hard to beat. However, the cost of replacement lens protectors is something to be aware of. What we like about it: superior field of view, affordable price. What we don't like about it: expensive lens protectors. Number 5. Instapark Andorran Frank Series Solar-Powered Auto Darkening Welding Helmet. Hobbyists need a helmet they can depend on for quick tasks. The Instapark Andorran Frank Series GX500 solar-powered auto darkening welding helmet is an excellent option for small projects as it offers ample protection and clarity and lands at a competitive price point. This helmet provides full coverage of the head and neck, but weight isn't compromised in doing so. It will fit most users comfortably, and the spacious design allows for users to wear glasses underneath. Additionally, this helmet's auto-darkening feature works at just 1/25,000 of a second, which is comparable to professional-grade models. The large lens provides an excellent range of view, which can prove useful while working in tight spots. What we like about it? Very low price. Spacious interior design. What we don't like about it? Poor quality head straps. Thin shell construction. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.